Good late evening, approaching the sunset on this end of an early summer, early June, muggy, warm, and uncomfortable day with not a lot of clouds in the sky to shade you from that ever-increasing sunlight. A high about 85 today. Making its way towards sunset with increasingly cloudy, chance of showers and thunderstorms as the week progresses, and still muggy, humid, and uncomfortable. This is VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing, where you come. That's where you like, subscribe, and share on our way to 300 beautiful, lovely, glowing, gorgeous subscribers for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, probability-based trading alert and company philosophy and technical analysis. And the market's pretty much going how we thought. We did a bunch of updates throughout the day today on Matic because subscribers seem to like this. They keep requesting, and we said our least likely solution, and now not likely, was way up there at 228. And then we have had this track for the last few days and said it's probably going to trade down on its way down. Come on, get off, y'all. On its way down to our target as the price action has moved over, and we continue to move these over, right? We said that the most likely solution the other day was it was going to trade down along these two major underneath resistances and then come down on its way down to its ultimate mid-range target, short-term target, $1. So Matic's pretty much going according to plan. ADA is the same thing. We said, actually over the weekend, the holiday weekend, let me get some of this malarkey out. Apparently I was having some fun. We're going to need Eraser. Come on, Eraser. Hey, subscribers have demanded more Eraser. Bam, 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 bam. We got some more Eraser. Smack, smack. Strategic Eraser today. Thank you, Eraser. Another phenomenal, fantastic, stunning performance. And moving on up in the MVP status. But let's pull out our industry exclusive, company made YouTube rising sensation drawing tool. Over the weekend, whenever that was, the holiday weekend, we said somebody asked me for the price, was down here. They've asked a lot of subscriber requests, and I said you could come up and fight for a fabulous, glowing, gorgeous, stunning, jabroni, enticing mid-range double top or triple top, 1, 2, 3, just to crash back down to our ultimate. You can look at any video on this coin that I've made. I said with falling volume overall, any pump, if we had an outside chance at getting there, it would crash down to here quickly into our ultimate mid-range target for the first, second, third time, because I believe we're going much, much lower in this coin as the overall market, I've been saying for weeks, has entered a bear market, and it's going to be a multi-month to maybe year bear market, which is normal for crypto. But if you're a newbie, it's going to be quite the shock. So this coin's going according to plan, testing our mid-range support now at $1.64. You could see a bounce real quick and then retest. And then I think in the next days to week, you're going to be coming and retesting that like I've been forecasting. Moving on. Doge coin doing what we forecasted. If you remember, we'll zoom out to the monthly. We put this on, get that off now. We put this on Twitter, I don't know, about 10 days ago, and I've been showing you on here when I remember to zoom out this far, but I do it a couple times a day. And I put out left shoulder, head and shoulder topping reversal pattern detected daily time frame. I put this video out, I don't know, 10 or 15 days ago. The price was over here somewhere, and I thought we were forming this part of the shoulder, and I thought we could kick up in the top of the left shoulder at 42 to 44 cents would have been the logical target when the price was down here. That's why Sunday I entered a position at 29 cents, but sold at 34 when I was driving back to the greater Bloomington area, and I put that yellow line up there Sunday night saying this is probably the highest probability chance if we pump and do form this right shoulder to complete the head and shoulders pattern, and then we would just wait to confirm the breakout of the topping reversal pattern in a daily time frame. That's why that was there. And I had a lot of questions yesterday, today, if I thought I was going to keep going. And I said my going forecast from back here was to pump up here when I put that yellow line down back of that. Remember? Delete that. Back here, I drew that yellow line, and I said this is going to be the right shoulder forming to complete the head and shoulders pattern. And then we would have to wait to see if it would confirm it and break down. and we would get rejected. We could still come back up for a phenomenal, fabulous, glowing local double top just to get rejected and all the way back. And I said we would trade to the moving averages, and then now the price action's moved farther, so we got to bring these old lines out, bring that old line up. And I said that line would be underneath support. Come on, get rid of that. And I said this old line would be first support after the moving averages. So that's probably what you're going to do. You're going to bounce. Then you might come back up to the moving averages to get rejected and then fall down to this mid-range target. Or actually, there's supposed to be another line down there, which would have confluency about the 20 cents with our old support line up here in resistance, because I believe our short-term target is 20 to 22 cents, 20 to 25 cents, which we touched briefly before, but I think we're going back down there. So this forecast made back here is looking beautiful. And because we believe, and now, I mean, anybody can see what it is, right, in the daily time frame. I mean, it's not hidden anymore. It's a classic. Come on. Head and shoulders topping reversal pattern. Classic. And I drew this out, deciphered it about 15 days ago. You can check all them videos out. Left shoulder, right? Head, right? Now we have a well-defined right shoulder. But I made the video back here when the price action was down here, and I sniffed it out and detected and deciphered it for you, and now it's going beautifully. And if we go to the 4-hour time frame with more sexy glowing data points, you can even see it even better. I mean, you don't have to be a stock guy to know what that looks like, a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern in the daily time frame. You can check it out on Twitter. It's been there, I don't know, for 10 or 15 days. That's it for now in this quick update. Oh, Litecoin, same thing. It's going according to plan. We said the other day, it looked like you were in this falling channel. You broke out of it for a fake out, but we said the most likely solution, you can see in red we made, I think yesterday, was it was going to start trading down. Now let's zoom in to the 2-hour. It was going to start trading down. There's an outside chance it could hit that moving average up there. I don't think it did make it. See that? It almost made it. Close enough, right? The other day we said it could come up to this moving average, but when we made that, the moving average was way over there, and it came up in the, this was the 4-hour moving average. It never got there. It made it up to the 2-hour moving average, and then we said it was probably going to start trading down along this lower support, and then it was going to break down if the volume that come in and the volume still crashing. And we have targets down here at 111, and then our outstanding target is 75 cents to 90 cents, right? We all know that. Multiple videos with 200 views on that. Like, subscribe, and share. I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I play one of my own radio show. This is strictly educational and entertainment only. Peace and love. Peace and love.